Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HBO Max not working on your Apple TV. Now you might want to learn how to fix this issue if HBO Max keeps crashing, it keeps buffering, or it keeps glitching. Either way, these videos are going to prevent you from actually using the app. But this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but be sure to stick around all the way until the end in order to learn how to fix HBO Max not working on your Apple TV. Now, the way that I actually did this is that I went into settings, and then from settings, go ahead and click on system, and then scroll down to where it says restart. So once you click on restart, what this is actually doing is that it's restarting your Apple TV, and it's also restarting your HBO Max. So this is going to be good to actually fix minor glitches or issues happening. But the other thing that you can do is that make sure that your internet is connected to your Apple TV. So this might involve you having to restart your router just so that your connection can be reconnected to Apple TV. Other things that you can do is that make sure that your HBO Max is up to date with the latest version. So the way to update it is that you can click on the App Store, and then on the App Store, find HBO Max. So HBO Max is located right here. So click on HBO Max, and then from here, you want to make sure that there's no update icon. So my icon here says open, so it means that HBO Max is up to date with the latest version. And then the last thing that you can do is that you can make sure that your Apple TV is up to date with the latest version as well. So go into settings, and then from here, click on system, and then scroll down to where it says software updates, and then click on update software. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix HBO Max not working on your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.